Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the rear wiper blade on this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to pull the wiper arm up like this. Then we're going to take it. It's a little bit difficult to do and this may be tricky, but you're going to push these two together. If you put your finger in here, lock it down like that. There's little clips that hold the blade in, like there. A lot of times if you pull this off, this little piece may break, so you'd have to replace the whole blade. Ours did not break in this situation, so then we can line it back up. Line it there, and then squeeze it real tight, lock it in place, and reposition the wiper.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.